Hello guys, this is Shishi from YouTube channel Patkhori. Today I am gonna show you how to activate refresh rate 120 Hz for Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. You know the default refresh rate for Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus is 60 Hz. If you want to activate 120 Hz for as a refresh rate for Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, you have to follow some steps. These steps are very easy. It is very simple. You can, if you follow this, you can activate 120 Hz refresh rate for your smartphone. First of all, there are some prerequisites to activate this refresh rate for your smartphone. I am gonna show you step by step all the steps. First of all, you have to go to settings. Under the settings, you have to go to about phone. Then you can see the software information. You have to click on this and you can see the one UI version. It is must for your smartphone to activate 120 Hz refresh rate, that is 2.1. Then you have to go to battery information. After you can see I have clicked on the device care. Under the device care you can see the battery information. Here you can see the power mode. You can use either high performance or optimized power mode. If you want to activate your activate 120 Hz refresh rate in your smartphone, you have to use either high performance or optimized power mode. I am satisfied with optimized power mode. Then you have to go to your display setting. Here is the display setting. Here you can see there is screen resolution. Click here and then you can see, you already know there are three types of screen resolution for your Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus: HD Plus, Full HD Plus and QHD Plus. You cannot use QHD Plus if you want to activate 120 Hz refresh rate in this smartphone. You have to use either HD Plus or Full HD Plus. As I am satisfied with the Full HD Plus, I can move to the next steps. Here you see all the requirements you have to follow if you want to activate 120 Hz refresh rate. One thing is you have to follow the next. In the next, you have to go to Play Store and search for Activity Launcher. Click here. Here you can see Activity Launcher. If it is not installed on your phone, then you have to install it. After installing it, you have to open. It may take some times to load all the activities. Here we go. All the activities have been loaded. You have to search for smoothness. Already we have found what we want to see. Under the setting you can see the motion smoothness. You have to click on the motion smoothness. Here you can see the refresh rate. The default one is set already, that is 60 Hz. Now you can change or move to the high refresh rate, that is 120 Hz. After selecting this refresh rate 120 Hz or high refresh rate, if you apply here, then it is already done for your smartphone. It is already activated 120 Hz refresh rate for your smartphone, that is Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. If you activate this, the smoothness already increased. It is not very easy to feel it, but I think if you regularly use it, then it may be you can see some difference between 60 Hz and 120 Hz refresh rate. It is that is already done. That's all from my part. I think it may be helpful for yourself, and thank you everyone.